Model, 70-plate Citroen Relay 35 L3h2 Enterprise 2.2 BHDI S None Runner No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 90,726. MOT, the 7th of February 2026. Engine, 2179 ccDW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover. Engine has seized, so will need repairing or replacing No Vat to pay absolute bargain. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 2 former keepers, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors,